Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the same Google account that created the backup. This ensures you access the exact snapshot you need. Once signed in, make sure your device is on Wi-Fi and plugged in so the transfer won't be interrupted. Open the Google One app, tap Backups, and choose the backup you want to restore. You're initiating a targeted restore rather than a full device wipe, so this first selection determines which app data, photos, and settings are recovered. Now you decide what to pull back. In the backup details, pick apps, device settings, photos, and SMS that you need. This reduces clutter and speeds the process. You can toggle individual items, only restore app data if you keep the same app versions, otherwise expect partial compatibility. Review the estimated time and required storage so you don't run out mid-restore. Once selections are correct, confirm restore and let Google One queue the download and apply settings automatically. After the restore runs, you may be prompted to restart. Do that so settings and app data finalize properly. Verify key items, open restored apps, check contacts and photos, and confirm system settings applied. If something's missing, check that you used the correct account and that Google One shows the backup was complete. Low storage can interrupt restores. If problems persist, retry only the missing items or toggle backups off and on. Then initiate a selective restore to recover remaining data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.